Superior Security Services is a security service in Texas and New Mexico that will provide you with dependable protection, hands-on managers, and professional security officers. Founded in 2013, we specialize in oil and gas security, after-hours patrol, and event security. Serving Hobbs, Carlsbad, and Artesia, New Mexico, as well as Lubbock, Midland, and Odessa, Texas, our armed and uniformed patrol service can be customized to your specific needs. We offer building walkthroughs, removal of unwanted persons, door checks, perimeter patrols, interior and exterior checks, parking lot and yard inspections, and commercial building opening and closing. Our security service in Texas and New Mexico prevents theft and employee safety issues present in these areas. Law enforcement response time to these remote areas is lengthy, and having our security service will ensure you and your assets are protected. Superior Security Services utilizes the latest technology to keep you informed of pertinent issues in and around your property. Our skilled officers are professionals that aim to provide continuity and excellent customer service. We are available 24/7, 365 days a year for every security situation. Choose a superior security service where your protection is our business. For more information about security service in Texas and New Mexico, visit sssnm.net or call 575-631-5282.